Welcome to NEERJA'S algorithm. Today I will start some other questions of inverse trigonometry.
The first question is sine square tan inverse 3 by 4. How to solve it? If I am writing, let it be sine square theta. So I can write like this, na? Both are same, na? The same thing I am using it here. I will write sine tan inverse of 3 by 4 ka whole square. Correct? Now, in the last class, I told you some formulas about this. Correct? Yes. Now, this is P and this is B, means this is opposite and this is adjacent. We have a Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to 3 ka square plus 4 ka square, that become 9 plus 16 is equal to 25 and h is equal to 5. Now, I wrote it sine inverse P by h is equal to tan inverse P by B. Means in place of this, I will put this value. Now, what will happen? Sine of, what is sine theta ratio? It is opposite by hypotenuse. So, tan, in place of tan inverse, I will write sine inverse, what is P? 3 by 5 whole square, because I am only replacing tan inverse. Sine and sine inverse are opposite to each other, so we can cancel it and it become 3 by 5 ka whole square, that is equals to 9 by 25. Answer. This is the second question. Sec square cot inverse 3 plus cosec square tan inverse 2. 3 means 3 by 1, 2 means 2 by 1. Now, in the last question also, in the previous question, we wrote it like this. I am writing this also like this. Okay. Cosec tan inverse 2 whole square. Now, because it is cot inverse and it is sec, so that means I need to convert it into a sec inverse. This is cosec and this is tan inverse. I need to convert it into a cosec inverse. Now, the same process I will do. Cot inverse 3 by 1 is equal to sec inverse of, what is that? B by, H by B. Now, cot inverse, what is cot ratio? That is adjacent by opposite. Now, h square is equal to 3 ka square plus 1 ka square. H square is equal to 9 plus 1, that is equals to 10. H is equal to root 10. I will make one line here to make it this also parallel mein. So, tan inverse 2 is equal, tan inverse 2 is equal to cosec inverse of h by p. Perfect. Now, what is h square is equal to 2 ka square plus 1 ka square, because down is 1. H square is equal to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. H is equal to root 5. Now, I am putting the values. Sec cot inverse place is sec inverse of h by b. What is h? Root 10. What is b? b is your 3, like this. Okay, whole square. Now, plus this, I am keeping it cosec. In place of tan inverse 2, I will put this value, that is cosec inverse of root 5 by p. Fine. Now, I told you sec and sec inverse are opposite to each other, remaining with angle only. Root 10 ka square is 10, 3 ka square is 9, plus cosec and cosec inverse gone, root 5 ka square 5 and it become 4. Take LCM. 36. 10 4s are 40, 9 5s are 45. Answer is 85 by 36. Done. Now the third question is tan of 2 tan inverse 1 by 5 minus pi by 4. Sorry. How to solve it? First we will let this. I will take tan inverse of 1 by 5 is equal to alpha. So this become tan alpha ka value become 1 by 5. Perfect. Now it become tan 2 alpha minus pi by 4. We know the formula of tan A minus B, that become a tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Fine. I will use that formula here. So it become tan 2 alpha minus 10 pi by 4 by 1 plus tan 2 alpha into 10 pi by 4. Fine. What is 10 pi by 4? 1. Tan 2 alpha minus 1 by 1 plus tan 2 alpha into 1. Fine. But I don't have the tan 2 alpha ka value. So what I will do, we have a formula, but tan 2 alpha is equal to 2 tan alpha by 1 minus of 10 square alpha. Correct? Now keeping the value 10 alpha ka, it become 2 by 5, 1 minus 1 by 25. It's been 2 by 5 by 25 minus 1, 24 by 25. When you will solve it, what you will get? 25 will go up and it become 2 by 5 into 25 by 24, 12 or 5. So I got tan 2 alpha ka value is 5 by 12. Keep this value. It become minus 7. I am writing directly, see LCM, by 12 plus 5, 17, and 12 and 12 got cancelled. This is the answer. Now the fourth question is cot of sine inverse root 13 by 17 is equal to sine tan inverse of 12 by 13. Means you need to prove that LHS and RHS are equal. So I am making one line here to solve properly. I will take it, because outside is cot and inside is sine inverse. So I will change sine ko in form of cot inverse. Yes, so I will change it into a cot inverse. What is the ratio? B by P. So H square is equal to P square plus B square. This is your P, this is your H. So it become B square is equal to root 17 ka square minus root 13 ka square. I am not skipping any of the step, you will not get confused anywhere. B is equal to become 2. Now sine, I am putting the value cot of sine inverse ki place pe I am putting cot inverse of B by P. That means 2 by root 13. It is equals to 2 by root 13. Chal, coming to RHS. Tan inverse of 2 by 3. It is 2 by 3 is equal to, I need to make it a sine inverse, naturally P by H. This is P, this is B. H square is equal to P square plus B square. Now H square is equal to 2 ka square plus 3 ka square. This become 4, this become 9, this become 13. H is equal to root 13. Correct? Now in place of tan, I will put it sine inverse. So sine inverse is what? It become a P by H. What is P? It's a 2. H is root 13. 2 by root 13. LHS and RHS are equal. Hence proof. Fifth question is solve. Means find out the x ka value. Sine inverse of 5 by x plus sine inverse of 12 by x is equal to pi by 2, where the condition is given that x should be greater than 0. Now what I will do, I will take it sine inverse 5 by x is equal to alpha. Sine inverse 12 by x is equal to beta. Fine. Now the 5 by x become a sine alpha and 12 by x is equal to sine beta. Now what will happen? I will put it the value alpha plus beta is equal to, pi by 2. It become like this. So one thing I will shift to the other side and multiply both side by sine. Multiply both side by sine. So it becomes sine pi by 2 minus beta. Sine alpha ka value is 5 by x is equal to, what is sine 90 minus theta? Cos beta. And in form of sine, how I can write cos beta? Under root of 1 minus sine square beta. Correct? Now it becomes 5 by x is equal to under root of 1 minus, what is sine beta ka value? 12 by x. So it becomes 144 by x square. Fine. Now I will do, because I have to remove this square root. So how we will remove? Squaring both sides. So it becomes 25 by x square is equal to 1 minus 144 by x square. Keep the like terms together, means shift this side here. So it becomes plus 144 by x square is equal to 1. 169 by x square is equal to 1. 169 is equal to x square. So x is equal to plus minus of 13. But in the question they mentioned कि x should be greater than 0. That means x cannot be minus 13. X is only 13. This is your answer.
This is the end of the today's video. I have taken very different questions of inverse trigonometry. If you want कि I should take these type of questions, then be with me and please like and subscribe my channel.